Are you looking for Silver Eagles? You shouldn't buy them right now. Hey, I'm the Stacking Stormtrooper. If you're new to the channel, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a guy in a bucket talking about precious metals. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, get the bell notification clicked, and that way you get updated with any new content. I have recently been putting out a bunch of videos talking about the selling of silver, and that's mainly in part due to the fact that the silver spot price has climbed significantly over the last few months due to the economic uncertainty and the global pandemic. Having said that, there are still opportunities to be buying silver and adding to your stack, one of which happens to be American Silver Eagles. Now, I say that with a bit of caution. The thing with American Silver Eagles, a lot of us have noticed that over the last handful of months, when the spot price has climbed to these higher numbers that we haven't seen for quite some time, the American Silver Eagles followed suit. However, we are very used to American Silver Eagles going for around $2 to $3 over spot. But now what we have been seeing is the American Silver Eagles have been going for anywhere between $6 to $10 over spot, which has left a lot of people, especially people who are new to stacking, wondering if now is the time to buy. So I am going to talk about this a little bit further, show you some things that you can do to buy these American Silver Eagles now, and whether or not it's the time to be buying them or should you hold off. As of today, September 4th, 12:45 p.m. Eastern Time, silver spot price is sitting at $26.57 per ounce. Having said that, over the last 5 years, we have seen silver, basically, maybe even 10 years, silver's been relatively flat. It's been hovering in the, mid-teens on average for the last 5-10 years. And because of that, many people in the stacking community have been able to buy American Silver Eagles for around $17, $18 each. And so we've been lucky in that we were able to stack these coins at a relatively low price. Now there's such enormous amounts of news coverage on precious metals due to uncertainty throughout the world, whether it be economic reasons or because of COVID. Many people are now flooding the precious metals market. A lot of people are starting to wake up to the fact that silver and gold is an investment that people should put some money aside in case of uncertain times. So because a lot of people now are flooding the market and people that were already in the precious metals market are getting a little bit nervous, a lot more people are buying the precious metals, and you see a lot heavier trading with the paper, silver, and gold stocks. So basically, you're seeing this really high demand on precious metals. And for the physical silver and physical gold, what we have been seeing are unprecedented premiums, where these coins used to sell anywhere for $1.50 to $3 tops over spot. So if you saw that silver was around $15, you were able to get these coins for around $18, $17.50. But now, because of the spot price being where it is at $26.57, we are now seeing these coins going for much, much higher premiums, anywhere between $6 to $10 more than spot. So right now, APMEX has a tube of Eagles sitting at $34.76 per Eagle for a total of $684. JM Bullion is selling the same tube of, Eagles, brilliant uncirculated, at $33.47 per Eagle, coming to around $663 per tube. And then right now, Provident happens to have a sale that's going on for 2020 Eagles, and they are selling them for $32.56 each for a total of $650 per tube. Now, mind you, those prices, those do not include taxes. So you also have to factor that in. So here's the deal. Should you be buying the Silver Eagles now, or should you be waiting for it to drop? I think that if you are interested in buying Silver Eagles, I think right now it's kind of one of those make or break moments. I think that if you're sitting on the fence, I think that you actually should pull the trigger, and I think that you should buy some American Silver Eagles today. However, this is very important. If you are going to buy a tube of Eagles today, you're going to want to make sure that you have enough cash on hand in case of a dip, because then you're going to want to go out and buy more Silver Eagles at a lower price so that way you could dollar cost average down. If you do buy Eagles today and the prices of silver coins and the spot price of silver and Silver Eagles and everything continues to climb, then good for you. You bought in at a time before the prices really took off even further. But you have to keep in mind the chances are of the prices to drop back down. The chances are that can happen. So you're going to want to make sure, again, like I said, you're going to have cash on hand to buy another tube or 2 tubes per every tube that you buy today, because then that will dollar cost average you down. My new sticker, by the way, Flatline Racer, awesome design. So, is it over? Are the days of buying American Silver Eagles over? Did you have, your shot and did you miss out? I don't think so. I think you could still get some now. I just think that you need to have cash on hand and be ready for a dip. And don't panic, and that's another thing. Silver can drop. We've seen silver go up by a couple bucks a day, and we've seen silver drop by a couple dollars per day. You cannot get worried about that. When there are, can't talk today. When you see those dips, you have to look at those as buying opportunities. You cannot panic and think, oh my God, I bought all of this silver and now my investment is worth so much less. What a stupid move I made. No, it's a buying opportunity. You do not want to be looking at silver and gold as some sort of like speculative tool if you're looking at this for some sort of like long-term investment. I do buy silver and flip for profit. Gold is more of my long-term hold. But stuff like this, like the American Silver Eagles, I have sold quite a bit of my tubes off. I still have some. But, I'm still on the fence myself on buying some more Silver Eagles. I'm thinking I may end up buying some in the near future, again, just to hang on to them, wait and see. But again, I'm confident that if silver drops, I'll be buying more silver to dollar cost average down. And if the silver goes up, then, no harm, no foul. So let me know down below in the comments, are you buying silver right now, especially American Silver Eagles? And if so, what is the top dollar amount that you are looking to pay? And like I said, drop the comments down below. Let me know. Agree, disagree, whatever. And I just want to quickly thank these elite channel supporters. And if you haven't become a channel member, please check out the awesome perks and join today. With that, I'm the Stacking Stormtrooper. Check out these videos. Until next time, long live the Empire.